Okay, folks, okay, year 11. We're asked to fully simplify in brackets 64 g to the power of 8, h to the power of 4, all, okay, raised to the power of a half. So power of a half in maths means square root. So here I'm going to do 64 to the power of a half. And then I'm going to use the power to power rule for the rest of the algebraic terms. So I'm going to have g to the power of 8 to the power of a half, h to the power of 4 or h to the 4, all raised to the power of a half or to the half. Okay, now power of a half in maths means the square root. So I'm going to do the square root of 64. That's going to be 8. Okay, g to the 8 or to the half. When it's a power to a power, then we multiply the powers, okay, using our index laws. 8 times a half makes 4, so it's 8g to the power of 4, and then it's h squared, or h to the power of 2, or h to the 2. Because 4 times a half is 2, I get 4 halves, which is 2, 8 halves, which is 4. Okay, 8 times a half, it seems doing 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and then 4 times a half, same as doing 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So the final answer is 8g to the power of 4 h squared. And this is a higher tier topic, okay, a question that I'm very convinced you will get a mixture of fractional and negative powers. Okay, so you do the root of the whatever number is on the denominator of the fraction, and then you raise that to the power of the top, okay, of the numerator. So you do the root of the bottom, and then you raise it to the power of the top, the root of the denominator, and then you raise it to the power of the numerator. Okay, so power of a half in maths means square root, power of a third means cube root or cubic root, power of a quarter means the fourth root, power of a fifth means the fifth root, so on and so forth. Okay, so yeah. And then if you have like power of 2/3, let's say, so let's say I have, I don't know, yeah, 8 to the power of 2/3, that would be the cube root of 8 all squared. Okay, so the cube root of 8 all squared, or the cubic root of 8, or the third root of 8 all squared. The cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. So you have 2 squared, or 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Okay, and then lastly, don't forget, yeah, a negative index. Let's say it was the power of minus 2/3, then that would obviously equate to 1/4 or 1/4. Remember, a negative power, a negative indice, a negative exponent makes it 1/. Okay, and then if it's a fractional power, I do the root of the denominator, and then I raise it to the power of the numerator. Okay, thank you.